YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be installing something for every manual transmission owner, driver. We're going to be installing an In.Focus shift boot. Pick this, I'll show you guys when I open it, but every manual transmission owner probably has either a stock shift boot. I have an In.Focus one, but it's kind of faded from the sun, so we're going to be upgrading. I always get this black one with the little red stitching to match, you know, the black with the red and the NISMO interior, as you guys could tell if you didn't know. But I decided to, you know, get something that stands out a little more. So we got the red cherry blossoms. So yeah, if you guys are a manual transmission owner, this right here is pretty much, you know, something that you could change out to make your car look, you know, more like your car. You could make these, you could, you know, they got a lot of websites. You can buy them on eBay, Amazon, but I suggest ordering from In.Focus. Really dope shift boots. They also sell like things to put over your e-brake to make them look nice. But the thing I love about In.Focus is they have pre-slotted holes to make your install for your specific car easy. So In.Focus pretty much sends you, you know, instructions on how to take off your shift boot, but you could probably watch a YouTube video on how to do that for your specific car. Comes with a couple, you know, In.Focus stickers. And here we have this shift boot. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is really bright red compared to, you know, the seats. Then again, the seats do need a little washing. So we're gonna be installing this bright red In.Focus shift boot. It also comes with like a nice collar, so it's just not sagging, as you could tell. And they also sell like a thing that you could put on here to where it hooks and stays, but realistically, I don't mind it. All right guys, switch to the GoPro just to show you a little, you know, better demonstration. So what we're gonna do is pull this up like so. Make sure you guys be gentle because these are clips. You don't want to snap none of these. Just pull it up like so. Oh, actually, step one, you're supposed to remove your shift knob. Of course, it's not a Nick Stacks install without it freaking turning such a simple task into something so difficult. After a couple twists, it's finally off. Put that in there with the shift knob. Now, what you're gonna want to do, if you have a Z, unplug. There's a plug for the AC stuff and a plug for the hazards. So unplug both of those behind here. Let me see if I can focus. Those two right there, the white one and the black one, make sure you unplug both of those. All right, so we unplugged the hazard lights and the AC. Both plugs have been unplugged. They have like little tabs right here. You just push down and pull out. Push down and pull out. Then you'll have this like so. Flip it upside down. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. And then as you can see, all these little holes right here, put them in with these holes at the bottom here. All 4 screws are out. Then you just pull this up like so. Then you just take this off just like that. Old shift boot is off. I love you In.Focus, but this thing is faded. You guys can see now. So out with the old. In with the new. Anyways, what you're gonna do now is find the In.Focus thing right here. So that's the front straight. So what you're gonna want to do is line that up like so, and it goes in just like that. And then these little triangle things are for the big ones, and then the little circles as so are for the little ones. Just like that, she is on, just like so. The cover is back on, screws are back in. make sure if you have a Z that you put the clips back pretty much on the front, so you know it clips in on the front. Make sure, because this plate right here can go on a lot of ways, but make sure the clips are at the bottom. And just like that, our new shift boot is installed. Now what you're going to want to do is follow your steps back. We're going to clip back in the hazards, the AC control module, and then we are going to put this back on. Get that thing back on there, man. This might look ayo, but make sure she's on there good. You don't want to shift gears and your shift knob flies off and you fucking miss a gear or anything worse. So make sure she's on there tight. Make sure you firmly, and you just, you know, mess with it. Make it look however you would like it. You know, push it down a little bit, fix it. Comes with extra, so you know you could just do it till you like it, like that, and voila, that thing is tough. Sheesh, that's tough. Shout out to In.Focus, like I said again, man. If you guys want one of the best shift boots, e-brake boots, they sell shift knobs as well. They sell the thing for this right here, the little collar to hold the boot up to the shift knob. Any of that stuff, infocus.com. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And if I do get a code, I will be emailing them to see if I can get a code for you guys. If I do get a code, it will be in the description down below. This is also my second video. I have a better video if you want to see. I'll link that in the description down below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy the new look. As you could tell, like, it just adds a little touch to, you know, your own personal car. They have different kinds. They have anime ones, they have flowers, they have solid colors. Just go on the website, browse, see what you like, find one and order it. Shout out to In.Focus. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.